Question 1. How does the data link layer in the OSI model perform error checking in Ethernet networks? A. 3-byte frame check sequence. B. 4-byte frame check sequence. C. 5-byte frame check sequence. D. 6-byte frame check sequence. Correct answer, B. 4-byte frame check sequence. Ethernet networks use a 4-byte frame check sequence at the data link layer to ensure data integrity. This FCS is a cyclic redundancy check value that helps identify transmission errors by confirming that the received data aligns with the expected value. Question 2. Which switching method ensures the greatest data integrity and error-free transmission, though it decreases the data transfer speed? A. 802.1q forwarding. B. Cut-through. C. Store and forward. D. Fragment-free. Correct answer, C. Store and forward. Store and forward switching examines the entire data frame for errors before sending it to its destination. While this approach ensures accurate and error-free data transmission, it adds some latency compared to other switching techniques. Question 3. Which technology is designed to ensure system functionality during a disaster? A. High availability. B. Load balancing. C. Quality of service. D. Caching engines. Correct answer, A. High availability. High availability is a system design approach that ensures critical services and applications remain operational during hardware failures, power outages, or other disruptions by using redundancy and failover mechanisms. Question 4. Which type of DNS record is used as an alias? A. CNAME. B. NS. C. PTR. D. SRV. Correct answer, A. SNAME. CNAME. Canonical name. Records are used to create an alias for a domain name, allowing one domain name to point to another domain name. This is particularly useful when multiple domain names need to resolve to the same server or service. For example, www.example.com can be set as a TNAME for example.com, ensuring both domains direct traffic to the same destination. Question 5. When configuring IGRP on a router, what is the first parameter that needs to be set to start the IGRP routing process? A. Autonomous system number. B. Wildcard mask. C. IP address. D. IP address mask. Correct answer, A. Autonomous system number. IGRP, Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, is a distance vector routing protocol developed by Cisco. The autonomous system number is a critical parameter in IGRP configurations because it identifies the group of routers that share routing information. All routers within the same AS must use the same AS number to exchange IGRP routes. If the AS number is not configured, routers will not participate in the IGRP routing process. Route information will not be exchanged between routers. Network communication between routers in the AS will not function correctly. Question: So, what is the administrative distance value assigned to RIP in a network routing environment? A. 70. B. 100. C. 120. D. 150. Correct answer, C. 120. Administrative distance is a value that represents the trustworthiness of a routing protocol. Routing Information Protocol has an administrative distance of 120, which indicates its priority compared to other routing protocols. Lower administrative distance values are preferred over higher ones when multiple routes to the same destination are available. Question 7. Which solution enables network administrators to give priority to specific types of network traffic? A. NAC, B. UACE, C. N8, D. QoS. Correct answer, D. QoS. Quality of service is a network technology that allows administrators to control and prioritize various types of traffic according to their significance. It enhances the performance of essential applications by giving higher priority to time-sensitive data, like voice and video, over less critical traffic such as file downloads. Question 8. Which protocol is used to send messages to an email server for delivery? A. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. B. Post Office Protocol, version 3. C. Internet Control Message Protocol. D. Internet Message Access Protocol, version 4. Correct answer, A. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is a standard protocol for sending email messages between email clients and servers. SMTP handles the process of relaying emails from the sender to the recipient's email server. It operates on port 25 by default and ensures that messages are properly routed across networks. Question 9. Which document is commonly signed between an ISP and its clients? A. SLA. B. MOU. C. MSA. D. SOW. Correct answer, A. SLA. Service Level Agreement is a contract that outlines the expected level of service between a service provider, such as an ISP, and its customers. It defines performance metrics, service availability, and responsibilities to ensure both parties understand the quality of service to be delivered. Question 10. Which of the following is a connection-oriented protocol? A. UDP. B. IP. C. ICMP. D. TCP. Correct answer. TCP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is a connection-oriented protocol that establishes a reliable connection between devices before transmitting data. It ensures data is delivered accurately and in the correct order by using acknowledgements and retransmissions. Question 11. In IPv4 addressing, IP addresses with a leading octet value between 192 and 223 belong to which address space? A. Class A address space. B. Class B address space. C. Class C address space. D. Class D address space. Correct answer, C. Class C address space. Class C address space in IPv4 includes IP addresses with a first octet ranging from 192 to 223. This address class is commonly used for small to medium-sized networks, supporting up to 254 hosts per network. Question 12. Which protocol is used to synchronize the clocks of devices on a computer network? A. NTP. B. ETP. C. NNTP. D. RTP. Correct answer. NTP. NTP, Network Time Protocol, is used to synchronize the clocks of computers and other devices across a network. It ensures that all systems maintain accurate and consistent time, which is crucial for tasks such as security, event logging, and time-dependent applications. Question 13. Which of the following options correctly shows the order of data encapsulation when transferring data between two computers? A. Data. Frame, segment, packet, bit. B. Data. Packet, frame, segment, bit. C. Data, packet, segment, frame, bit. D. Data, segment, packet, frame, bit. Correct answer: data, segment, packet, frame, bit. Data encapsulation follows a structured process where information is wrapped in different protocol headers as it moves through the OSI model layers. The correct sequence is data at the application layer, segment at the transport layer, packet at the network layer, frame at the data link layer, and bit at the physical layer. Question 14. Which protocol is required for switches to share VLAN configuration details with each other? A. VTP. B. MPLS. C. STP. D. PPTP. Correct answer A. VTP. VTP, VLAN Trunking Protocol, is used to share VLAN configuration information between switches within the same domain. It helps maintain consistent VLAN settings across the network, simplifying network management and reducing configuration errors. Question 15. A company wants to reduce storage usage on its mail server by having email clients download messages to their local devices and delete them from the server. Which protocol should be used for this purpose? A. IMAP4. B. SNMP. C. SMTP. D. POP3. Correct answer: D. POP3. POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3, is a protocol that allows email clients to download messages from the server to local devices. By default, POP3 removes the messages from the server after download, helping to conserve server storage space. Question 16. What is a drawback of using a ring network topology? A. Ring topology offers the lowest scalability compared to other topologies. B. A hub failure can bring down the whole network. C. A single device or cable failure can disrupt the entire network. D. High signal loss requires frequent use of repeaters. Correct answer: C. A single device or cable failure can disrupt the entire network. A ring topology connects devices in a circular sequence where data travels in one direction. If a single device or cable link fails, the entire network can become inoperable, making the topology less reliable compared to others. Question 17. Which option defines the duration that DNS records are kept in a cache before they must be refreshed? A. TTL. B. Refresh. C. Null. D. Expire. Correct answer: A. TTL. TTL, time to live, is a value in DNS records that defines the duration in seconds that the information can be stored in cache before requiring a refresh. Lower TTL values result in more frequent updates, while higher TTL values improve cache efficiency. Question 18. David needs to turn off spanning tree protocol on a switch port that connects to a server. Which command is most appropriate for this purpose? A. Disable spanning tree. B. Spanning tree off. C. Spanning tree port fast. D. Spanning tree security. Correct answer, C. Spanning tree port fast. The spanning tree port fast command bypasses the usual STP listening and learning states, allowing the port to transition directly to the forwarding state. This is commonly used on ports connected to end devices like servers to reduce connection delays, but it does not completely disable STP. Question 19. Which protocol is responsible for automatically providing IP addresses to devices on a network? A. DHCP. B. DNS. C. NetBIOS. D. OTR. Correct answer, A. DHCP. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is used to automatically assign IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateways, and other network settings to devices on a network. This simplifies network management by eliminating the need to manually configure each device. Question 20. Which feature of TCP enables the receiving computer to signal the sender to reduce the transmission speed? A. Three-way handshake. B. Flow control. C. Windowing. D. Connection-oriented. Correct answer, B. Flow control. Flow control is a mechanism in TCP that regulates data transmission between sender and receiver, preventing data loss by ensuring the sender does not overwhelm the receiver with more data than it can process. How many questions did you get right? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.